and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is so exciting because I have another Lululemon haul. I am obsessed, to say the least. I hope this is my last one for the month, but we'll see. If you're seeing this, I am on vacation right now. I am in Florida. I decided to book a vacation to Orlando. You guys know I'm obsessed with Florida. Florida is my favorite state. My family has gone ever since I was little, and I decided to treat myself in November and stay there for a whole week and go to Universal. So that's where I'm at right now, and I'm so excited because I have express passes, which means I get to cut the lines. I've never had express passes, so I'm guessing I'm loving life right now. Universal Studios, Universal Orlando is literally my favorite theme park in the whole entire world. Today I have a Lululemon haul. I actually went on Halloween. Happy November, even though we're well into November by now. But yeah, I want to share with you guys what I got. So what I'm wearing is the half zip funnel neck in water drop, and I just love this blue so much. I bought this like two hauls ago, and I'm just loving this blue. Okay, so this trip was really pricey and very minimal. I have two parts. The first part is an order I purchased a week ago, and yeah, so I'll show you this. What I found is the fleece belt bags. I got this one in opal and trench. This is just so beautiful. I love the trench color now. I did not really like it, but as I keep seeing it, I'm in love with it. And it has the gold hardware. It is so pretty. I'm using this one right now, and I just love it so much. So there's a trench on the back. It's just so pretty. Obviously I kept the plastic on because I do not want to ruin it yet. And then inside has everything, and it's all trench. So love this so much. This is my bag as of right now. Okay, so originally I was going to get this black one, but I saw the white one and I decided to go for that one. I didn't think I would want it, but I just picked it up just in case, and I love it. But here is the black one. This is black fleece with gold hardware. It is so beautiful. Again, with the gold hardware right here. The zipper is gold, and then the inside is black. So loving this. And I just love my little belt bag collection. I will be doing a collection once I get maybe 2 more, because I have about 8 and I really want 10 before I do a collection haul. So stay tuned for that. So that is the order I placed online, and they arrived. So let's go to the big bag. We're gonna start with what I got on sale. I only picked up 2 items, but they are the most pricey. Okay, so actually I got this item on sale and I'm so excited. This is a crop tank, the Align crop tank, and this is the Align tank in size 12. This is the electric lemon, I believe. Yes, this is the electric lemon, and this is in size 12. I really like size 12 on me because my chest is a little bigger, and size 10 fits okay, but like my chest just spills out of it and I really don't like that. So size 12 is really like looser on me and fits fine. So I really like that for these crop tanks. Instead of, they were like $68, I got it for $54. So it's a little bit cheaper, but like it's cute. I had to. I wanted to go in there for 2 items. First was the fleece nano clip-on little mini backpacks, but obviously they didn't have them because it is so popular right now. And then the second item I wanted to go in there is for the cropped puffer vest. You guys, I got it. I picked it up, and it is so cute and worth the money. This is the most expensive thing I've ever bought on Lululemon. I just can't believe it. Like, it's so expensive. I've had this in my cart for the last week, and I keep running back and looking at my cart, just staring at it to see if I wanted it. And that's how I know I should get it, because it is so expensive. I didn't think, if I was not interested in it a week later, that I would not have gotten it, but I could not get this out of my mind. So I went to the store to see if they had my size, and they did. Usually I would probably get a size 8, but I decided to size up to size 10, so that is very loose, because I will be wearing all my loose hoodies on me. So that's why I got a size 10, and we're gonna try it on now. So you guys, I am not joking. Like, This thing is so comfy. Like, look how it's just the perfect size. I didn't think I would want a size 10, but honestly, it's loose, and I'm glad I got a size 10. You can take the hood off, so I might do that just so it's not as bulky, but so now I'm probably going to just wear this all winter. If you see me in this all winter, it is what it is. It's like, it was so expensive and I needed it. That's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.